Hi all, welcome back to my channel DBA Talks with Abyssum. So today we are learning how to create table and insert rows in SQL Server. So let's get started. So in my screen you can see there's a table called student which has 3 columns: roll number, name, email ID. You can also notice roll number is unique over here. So we will be creating same. We will be giving roll number as primary key. And there are 5 records currently. So we will be creating same in SQL Server. Now let's go to SSMS. Connect your SQL Server, new query. See, we will be creating a table in DemoDB1 with a name called student. Now let's write the query. First, we will be choosing the database where we want to create the table. In our case, let's do DemoDB1. So use DemoDB1 and then execute. You can see the database is changed from master to DemoDB1 over here. Now let's write the query to create a table in SQL Server. So the syntax is create table, table name. So our table name is student. So we will give create table student, then open round bracket. Now first column name. So it is roll number. Let's give the data type integer. It will only accept integer and let's make it as primary key. Second column is name. Let's give it n-varchar, which is a Unicode character string. Let's give it as 100 length. The column will accept only 100 characters. Now the third column we will give email ID. Let's give it again as n-varchar and give the length as 200. Now let's close the main bracket. Now you can select it and click on execute. You can see it is executed successfully. Now let's refresh our database DemoDB1. Let's expand the tables. Now you can see dbo.student has created. DBO is the default schema over here. If we'll try to select top 1000 rows, you can see there's no data. So only right now the structure has created. Now let's insert the rows. Now when you see it as student table over here, you can see currently there are 5 records. So let's insert that. Now let's write the insert query. So the syntax is insert into table name, which is student in our case. Then give the column names. So first roll number, second will be name, and third is the email ID. Now write values. And let's give a first row. Let's give roll number as 1. Second, the name is Sarah. And the email ID sarah@abc.com. We also need to give inverted comma over here. Now let's execute it. Select the section, click execute. See, it is completed successfully. Now let's fetch the records. Use DemoDB1, select star from student and let's execute it together. See, all the 5 records are now in the SQL Server table called student. Now let's try to insert one more row. But now we will insert one character in the primary key instead of the integer, and let's see what SQL Server gives error. So let's write the insert statement. Insert into student, Let's give the column name, roll number, name, email ID, write values. Now instead of the integer, let me write A. I have given the name and the email ID. Let's execute this section. See, the SQL Server has given us the error. Invalid column name A. So we have given character instead of the integer. Now let's give it a correct one. One row is affected. Let's refresh it and see. When you'll check, select star from student. Now the 6th row has also inserted. So I hope now you have learned how to create a table and insert rows in SQL Server. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.